Welcome to Soul Society. In this video I will talk about how to heal your bronchitis with potato. Acute bronchitis results from infection of the bronchial tissue. It can be of bacterial or viral origin. It results in a cough that is initially dry and then greasy with fever. Chronic bronchitis is a bronchial syndrome that comes regularly, at least 3 times a year. It is frequently complicated by dilation of the bronchi and emphysema, destruction of lung tissue. Smoking is often responsible for this. The first thing to do is to stop smoking. Potato poultices may help cure bronchitis. For that, you need potatoes. Then boil the unpeeled potatoes. Crush them, very hot, then place them on a clean cloth. Close the cloth. Then apply the cloth to the chest and let stand for 2 hours. Repeat 2 to 3 times a day if necessary. If symptoms persist, consult a doctor. Please note that plants are not harmless remedies. Never exceed the indicated doses. Subscribe to Soul Society for more remedies and check out the description below to get more information. Thanks for watching.